Thombor nakaslem Jngoh Nongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad ki sangma ula ong ba Menteri Rangba Kejela Assam Himanta Beswa Sarma ula shimkhyai ki jing'e ki bayade ki Jaka khaput Menteri Rangba ula krani kanie menta kasngi ka sautrik nailar arhajar arhulai haba juba Halor ka Jingshah le Donbor ba Jingshah Thombor ki pat Khasi hagi pat karbi ha BLOCK-1 hak ba ula ong banak leng Jngoh ula shimkhya Halor kani ka benta ba ula dep mania kran ba Menteri Rangba Kejela Assam ba chua kaniru ula dep mania kran na palat chiphosin ning ba ka phun ba hadian ka khatsan tarik unailar ansalet ban Jngoh ikitan khaput ki besakta shu abakran Halor ka jingon bu kerdop jenggi karbi ha khanduli hak baklami ru ka jingya kaja ha pedanggi karbi bat ki penar baki de ban weng mardo ri ka kerdop nak leng jo Menteri Rangba ula ethu ba ula shim ni kini ki jing'e ba ula dep mania kran ba ka sarkar Assam baru khmi lenti ba anna ban penbet no ya kini ki jing'e.
I have taken up this matter with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, and he has taken the matter up very seriously. Even as we speak, the Assam government is having a series of meetings on certain incidents and issues that are there pertaining to the border area. And by evening, I will be again in touch with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, just to share with you in the last 4 days, we have spoken to each other more than 10 times on the phone. And because of certain circumstances, we were not able to visit in the last few days. But most probably post August 15th, we will try and visit together. But in the meantime, the issues that are coming up in these areas, we are ironing those issues out. And there are some small concerns that have come up regarding some kind of check gates and all, which last time had been brought to my notice by the local political leadership there and some of the public in Khanduli area. That issue also has been taken up by me with the Assam counterpart. And I hope that we'll be able to resolve that within this week itself. As I said, the talks are going on. There was a bit of a complication in that matter. But I have got assurance from the Honorable Chief Minister that he will resolve the issue. But let's wait for the final outcome. But all efforts are being made, and I'm pretty sure that it will be